Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to bring something new to my channel to show you, and that is this right here by the SkinStore. This is their new 2022 holiday edit box. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the 2022 holiday edit box by the SkinStore just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys, look at this packaging. Isn't this super, super cute? It's like a little treasure chest. It's a really nice reusable box. I really like that. You have the top that opens with some surprises, and you have an actual slide out drawer with some more goodies. We're gonna get into everything that is inside, and again, I'm so excited. Looking at their website, they have so many wonderful skincare products. So if you are a skincare junkie like myself, you can definitely snag this box for yourself, for gift ideas, break it up for other people or stocking stuffers, or check out anything and everything that they have on their site. Everything will be linked down below. If you are interested in snagging this, let me give you a little information about it. So again, this is the holiday edit box. It has a value of $670 inside. Holy moly. And you can get all of this for only $149.99. You can use my code, which is Crafty10, and that'll get you $10 off of this box if you're interested. So it'll make it $139 for a $670 value. Holy moly, the ultimate beauty gift to give or to get. Our holiday edit is valued at $670 and is filled with 12 of the season's best full and deluxe size skincare for just $149. But again, you can use my code to get $10 off. From body oil to an overnight mask, here's what makes the box the perfect gift for anyone on your list, including yourself. And it has, again, 12 different products. I did print out like a little thing to tell me a little bit more information about each item that's on their website, but I didn't really look through them to see what's actually inside. I just copied and pasted. So let's go ahead and learn what's inside. Let's dive in. Again, we already saw the really cute packaging. So let's go with the top. That is everything that is there. And it does say SkinStore, the holiday edit on the top as well. So let's just grab the first thing that's rolling around. It says hyaluronic acid overnight mask. Ooh. And again, I love me some skincare. So this one says, this formula taps hyaluronic acid, which enhances the skin's radiance and speeds up its natural regeneration process for a smoothness you've never even imagined. Oh. So after cleansing and toning and applying a serum, you put this on and you just go to sleep. It says to reveal radiant, hydrated skin in the morning. So put it on in the morning. It does not say you have to rinse it. So that's amazing. And that is a great size, you guys. And oh, it's the kind you push down like this. It's like a jelly. Look at that. I was thinking it was going to be white, more of like a moisturizer, like a lotion, but it is like a clear consistency. Doesn't really have a scent, but I'm so excited to try that out. I want to see how my face feels tomorrow morning. I'm so excited. Okay, so the next thing in here, it says Glow System Head to Toe Glow Oil. So there is the package, and that's what it looks like on the inside. So for this one, it says there's nothing better than applying a nourishing body oil after a warm shower, especially when it's this ultra soothing formula. That is really neat. So after your shower, put on a little, that's why it says glowing from head to toe. Put on a little body oil from head to toe, glow, and there you go. That is really neat. Now we have, it says Intense Replenishing Serum. Ooh, by Dr. Loretta, maybe? This is a 1 ounce. Dr. Loretta's Balancing, Brightening, and Protecting Serum is formulated with lipochromin, I'm not sure on that one, an anti-aging antioxidant, as well as calming vitamins E and F. Give skin that glass-like dewy look you often lack during the colder months. And that's so neat that they're taking into consideration the time of year. So a lot of these are gearing, towards this time of year being winter to be using. So that's really, really neat that they, took that into consideration. So this is what the product looks like right there. And yeah, you just pump, and have your serum. All right, so next up it says Time Filler, an effective treatment that minimizes surface wrinkles. This cream harnesses the power of hyaluronic acid and peptides, which gracefully combine to attack wrinkles right from their source. That is really neat. So you have that to test out. Now we have is liquid serum. That's what the packaging looks like. And that's what it looks like inside. We call this serum a liquid moisturizer. Ooh, is this gonna be moisturizing for your face? That's what it sounds like. Because it's lightweight, non-sticky, and clear, but it packs a punch of hydration after application, thanks to hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. So if you got this kit, see, you can use this as your serum, and then you can put this on your face afterwards. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. You have another little serum here. This one is EGF Serum Bio Effect for improved appearance of skin. An age-defying serum that significantly minimizes signs of fine lines and wrinkles and restores skin's radiance in just a few usage. All right, it has a little actual dropper. That is just so cute that it's so small, but you still have the actual dropper for it. That is a cute package. So that is everything from the top shelf. All of those products were on the top, and there's the products in that drawer. So this one is MZ Skin Hydra Bright Gold Eye Masks. Recondition your under eyes with these ingredient-rich patches, which contains nano gold particles for luminosity, collagen to firm, and hyaluronic acid to deeply smooth. Ooh, those sound amazing. So you do have one set of eye patches to put eye masks. When I think of an eye patch, I'm like, it's like under eye masks. So that is awesome. Next we have is the Barrier Bioactive Treatment. This is by You Beauty, and this is what it looks like down inside. So you do have the little pump serum right there. So for this one, it says, designed to be the final step in one's skincare routine. This treatment soothes dry, dull, and weathered-looking complexions to visibly restore skin and replenish its moisture barrier. Almost everything in here has a lot of the hyaluronic acid for this time of year to be re-strengthening, moisturizing. Oh my gosh, all of these products are amazing. This could totally just be your whole little skincare routine. Or like I said, you can gift it or break it up for other people. That is amazing. There's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, now we have a 111 Skin. This is the Rose Gold Radiance Booster. It's a boosting illuminator. So there's the package, and 111 Skin is really, really expensive. I bet you this one thing alone is over $100 in just this. It's a really pretty rose gold package as well. Mix a few drops of these radiant enhancing drops to your foundation to add a lit from within glow that lasts throughout the day without getting oily. So you can add this to your foundation to give yourself a little glow. That's nice. Now we have something that's called Neo Firm. It's a neck tightening treatment. Target one of the most common areas of skin aging with this galactic acid and vitamin C infused velvety smooth cream, which work together to make skin appear tighter, more refined, and visibly youthful after the summer of sun. So that is really neat to tighten up your bottom half. Oh, we have an Elemis product. This is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream SPF 30. There's that. A sunscreen, yes, you still need SPF in the winter and moisturizer in one. This do-it-all cream makes getting ready easier. That is really neat, especially here in Florida. It literally is called the Sunshine State for a reason. We only have very, very few cold days. Even though they are cold, we still have that sun out there. So I definitely like having any type of sunscreen around, and that's amazing that this is the moisturizing face cream with SPF in it. So in the mornings I can put this on and I know my face is at least protected from the sun. Elemis is great products. So I'm so excited to get this, and again, it's a sunscreen marine cream, SPF 30. All right, there's one more product in here. Yes, there's one more product, and it says Repair Serum. It's a 4 ounce. Ooh, that is a really pretty bottle. Look, it's all purple. That is really, really pretty. This one here says a vegan formula that repairs and prevents skin disorders. This serum provides a deeply moisturized feeling that ensures your youthful glow lasts throughout the day and night. How cool. And again, I love that package. That's super, super pretty. And there is that, you guys. So that is everything that came in this. Again, it's a $670 value. You can get it by using my code for only $139. This would be great to break up. Again, stocking stuffers. You can put some in like a little gift bag or put it in a little gift basket for somebody, like a few of the items with some other stuff, or just keep them all for yourself and spoil your own face. You could do that as well. Again, they will be linked down below, but a quick recap to this. You have this product right here. You have this little serum. You have the Elemis product. You have this time filler. You have a barrier treatment. You have this little serum bottle, which is super cute. You have the eye masks. You have this face moisturizer, which I'm so excited to try out. You have the liquid rehydration serum. You have the boosting serum. You have the head to toe glow body oil. And then you have this intense replenishing serum as well. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is a whole lot of amazing skincare, amazing, great brands that are in here. And yeah, I think this is a really, really good little kit that they chose. What do you guys think of it? Comment down below and let me know what you thought about this. What do you think of the packaging? What do you think of the products? And again, you can use that package for anything else afterwards. And Crafty 10 will get you $10 off of this box. I will have their website linked down below so you can check this box out or all of the other products that they have available on their website. Hey, you guys, I just wanted to break in here and just do a little quick interruption because this is the next video that you guys will see. So I wanted to say it in this video to get this part out to you guys. If you remember me saying for maybe a month or two now that I was going to make my own advent calendar for you guys as a giveaway, well, that is now done, complete. It is fully stocked. I have at least 2 items in every single door. The advent calendar packaging that I use has 24 days. Some of them have more than 2 in each box, but they have at least 2 products in each one. Some could be full size all the way down to deluxe size, sample sizes, but I took all of my giveaway products that I had and shoved them all in there, and they are ready to go to a new home. I definitely want this to be delivered, hopefully, to the winner before December 1st. So that's why I said I want to get this out here and just tell you guys really quick. I didn't want to put it in its own dedicated video because there's too many scammers going around. But please, as I'm saying that, make sure you're not getting scammed. If it says anything about like a Telegram or, hey, message me here. No. It has to look just like this, coming from me, from my channel name. It doesn't have anything after Shecrafty. There's no letters. There's no numbers. There's no @Telegram. There's nothing. Just Shecrafty. That is only me. So make sure I'm the one that's asking you to send me a message. Again, it will look just like this. So please do not get scammed. So number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do what I do, to give back to those that are here actively and positively supporting me on my channel. I want to say thank you. So number 1, be subscribed if you're not already. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can enter into this giveaway and all the others that I do have on my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Leave 1 comment down below in the comment section. And in that comment, I want you to tell me what your favorite holiday dish is. That's it. No enter me or anything like that in case nobody got this far. Just tell me what your favorite dish is to make for the holidays. Let me know, and then I will go through all of the comments that are telling me my favorite dish is blah, blah, blah. And that will cipher through all the comments to choose a winner with the random comment picker. So again, be subscribed, give this video a big thumbs up, leave one comment saying what I just said. In it, you must be over the age of 18 or have somebody that is over the age of 18 to enter in for you so I can communicate with an adult to get addresses, that kind of thing. And you need to have a United States address for me to mail this to. I don't care where you live, as long as I'm paying for a United States shipping address to mail it to, and that is it. I'm only gonna have this run for 48 hours because I really want to get this out in the mail, so hopefully whoever goes to will receive it before December 1st. So 48 hours, this will end. Again, I will have the random comment picker choose a winner. I will then comment to your comment saying you are the current winner. You now have 48 hours to contact me back. If you do not contact me back, a new winner must be chosen, and the same rules apply to the new winner, so on and so forth until I get a confirmed win. Down below in the description box will say all of the official rules, the official end date in case there's any questions, and once this is over, it'll say congratulations to so-and-so, has 48 hours to confirm, or it will say confirmed. If it still says has 48 hours to confirm, hold tight. I might have to choose a new winner. The new winner might be you. But I do giveaways on my channel as much as I can, again, to show my appreciation to you guys. So sorry for the interruption. Now I'll bring you back to your normal broadcasted station. So again, thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. Comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.